Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngeviki eliphelile, uPremier waseGauteng okuPanyaza Lesufi umemezela ukuthi amapanyapanya uyawadisbanda. Ngakho they will undergo i-training bese be-convertwa to ukuthi bangene kuma-metro. Bangene kuma-metro, kuma-JMPD or EMPD. Anginasho kahle noma emva kwensuku ezimbili noma emveni kosuku olulodwa kwase kuphuma i-report ebeyivela lapha ku-President Protector, iyaziwa nge-Public Protector. Ebisazisa ukuthi bathola i-complaint baliphenya lolu daba lamapanyapanya. Bathola ukuthi awekho semthethweni. Kusho ukuthi ukuba khona kwawo indlela uPanyaza Lesufi enza ngayo ayikho semthethweni. Kanti umuntu oqala owaveza yonke lento le uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngesikhathi lapha ku-ad hoc committee nakhona ukuze ayiveze wayikhuluma nge-BOC okuyi-Board of Commissioners ngoba babembuza ukuthi kungani lama-allegations awenza ngomhla ka-6 July angawareyizanga kwi-BOC bakwazi ukwadingida kahle kuhlangene o-commissioner bama-province wonke kanye no-national commissioner khona. Wayesenza umzekelo ngalamapanyapanya wathi wake wayiraise indaba yawo laphaya kwi-BOC kodwa abazange bamnake. Kunalokho bawasupport ukuthi awabe khona futhi washo ukuthi uPanyaza Lesufi had good intentions.
Have been tabled in that BOC for noting and some of them for discussion amongst others. But as a provincial commission, we might have an opinion in that meeting, but the majority might vote against you. Let me give you an example of it. Example of it is when the Premier of Gauteng with a good intention to fight crime in the province of Gauteng, but they started a unit that by law should not exist. The Mapanyapanya that is famous. I raised that at the BOC. And I said, this is illegal. It's against the law. The Premier must be advised. He's got good intentions, but it cannot be done. The law doesn't allow it. The very same senior managers in the police says, no, just leave the Premier alone. We like this proposal. The following BOC, legal services came up with a presentation, and they argued the same thing that I argued. Legal services. They presented that which is done in Gauteng, it's against the law. It should not be allowed. So this was when there was an engagement at the executive authority between the minister and the Premier at the time. But already these members were trained, and they were said to be part of the provincial law enforcement structure. So my argument in the BOC and the support from legal services was not taken serious at the BOC. So they continue with the training. But because legal services had already taken note of it, they went to the minister and said, Minister, you cannot sign this off. It's against the law. Obvious, the Premier and Gauteng was not very pleased when the minister clearly didn't want to sign it. And as a result, to date, that unit, those group of members could not be incorporated into the Police Act as a result. So they are still there in Gauteng. I'm not sure whether they are enforcing the law or what they're doing in Gauteng, but legally they're not supposed to be there.
Just for ukukukhumbuza ngithanga ngicaphune le video kaGeneral Mkhwanazi. Emveni kokube sewahlakazileka amapanyapanya uPanyaza Lesufi, iDA iye bese ibona ithuba elihle lokulwa naye uPanyaza Lesufi. Yayisifayila i-motion of no confidence against uPanyaza Lesufi. uHerman Mashaba president we-Action SA wathi lento ye-DA yokuthi ifayile imotion ibingakhulumisananga noma ingabonisananga nama-parties ofuneka bavote naye izobagaxelisa. Futhi angikholwa mina ukuthi i-Action SA ingasupporta i-DA ekugudluleni uPanyaza Lesufi. Isizathu esenza lokho, i-DA iphilisa kabuhlungu umeya uDr Nasiphi Moya lapha ePitori. Ngeviki eliphelile uye wakhuluma ukuthi i-DA ilikhe i-home address yakhe la ahlala khona home address yakhe lekho i-DA. So sengiyazi nje ukuthi i-Action SA angeke iziyisupport. Angikholwa futhi nokuthi i-MK Party ngayisupporta i-DA ukuze bavote against uPremier uPanyaza Lesufi, ngoba i-MK ngathi ayizwani nje ne-DA, kodwa-ke ngeke sazi ipolitiki le. I-DA-ke ibe isithatha igxathu lokubhala iletha ibhalela i-EFF, ne-EFF yaresponda. Sizofunda-ke lawo maletha amabili bese siyayivala le video. Le letha i-DA ikhiphe ngomhla ka-23 ku-October 2025. Ivela ku-Honorable Philip Makwala, ibhalelwe i-Party Caucus Leader we-Economic Freedom Fighters. Dear Caucus Leader, you may be aware that I have announced my intention to table a motion of no confidence. Such a motion will be ineffective without the support of more than just my own party. This motion is tabled sincerely and as a genuine response to the following shortcomings in the Premier's performance, of which you are no doubt aware. 1. The fiasco surrounding the establishment and implementation of Gauteng Traffic Warden, so-called Amapanyas. 2. The bloating of various budgets to support the Premier's vanity project. 3. The mishandling of sensitive matters such as Tembisa Hospital corruption, which has resulted in the tragic loss of Babita Deokaran's life. 4. The inability to hold the MEC and the HOD of Health accountable, not only for the Tembisa Hospital matter, but also for a series of issues within the Department of Health and Social Development. 5. The withholding of reports related to 117 forensic investigations. 6. The withholding of outcomes and ongoing delays concerning lifestyle audits. The above issues, among many others you can undoubtedly cite, make it clear that the Premier has lost whatever fitness he once had to hold office. It is therefore imperative that we treat this issue with the seriousness it deserves, for the sake of the people of our beloved province. Please advise when it will be convenient for us to engage on this matter so that we can discuss your potential support for the motion of no confidence, as well as the future alternative governance. Yours sincerely, Usolim Simanga, MPL leader of the official opposition. Iyona letha ke le ephuma kwi-Democratic Alliance ibheke kwi-EFF. Sizofunda ke response ye-EFF uma iphendula le letha, ngoba i-EFF iphendule le letha. Iletha le EFF ibhale ngomhla ka-27 October 2025 bebhalela uSolim Simanga, oyi-Member of Parliament, DA Gauteng Provincial Leader. Isihloko sithi, your letter relating to the motion of no confidence against Gauteng Premier. Dear Mr. Msimang, we acknowledge receipt of your letter dated 23 October 2025, inviting the Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, to engage on proposed motion of no confidence in the Premier of Gauteng, Mr. Panyaza Lesufi. While we appreciate the importance of accountability in governance, we must express our deep concern about the conduct and language historically used by Democratic Alliance, DA, towards the EFF and its leadership over time. The DA has gone out of its way to demonize our organization, using language that is inflammatory and inconsistent with mutual respect between political parties in a democratic dispensation. 3. The following public remarks illustrate the DA's consistent posture towards the EFF. 3.1. On the 2nd of April 2023, the DA leader publicly declared the EFF as enemy number 1 of the DA. 3.2. On the 30th of July 2023, he referred to the EFF as its leadership as dangerous demagogues. 3.3. On the 5th of April 2024, he warned of a doomsday coalition if the EFF came into government. 3.4. On the 30th of May 2024, Ms. Helen Zille stated publicly that an ANC-EFF coalition would spook investors and tank the economy. 3.5. On the 22nd of May 2025, during the visit of the United States, the DA leader stated that the DA had joined hands with the ANC to keep the EFF out of power. 4. The poster is not new. On the 17th of July 2024, soon after entering the so-called Government of National Unity, also known as GNU, with the African National Congress, your party released a statement asserting that its participation was to prevent the EFF and MK from ever getting their hands on the levers of executive power. 5. In subsequent pronouncements, including during a high-level meeting at the White House in the United States, your party reiterated that the central role in the GNU is to keep the EFF out of power. These statements have consistently defined the EFF as your party's public enemy number one, while portraying the ANC as planned partner with whom you can cooperate. 6. It is therefore curious that, despite this posture, you now seek our cooperation to vote your trusted partner out of power in Gauteng. It appears the DA wants its proverbial bread buttered on both sides. 7. The EFF believes that political engagement must be grounded in mutual respect and good faith. For as long as your public pronouncement about the EFF remain in effect, the EFF has no business engaging with your organization in whatever way, shape or form. If the DA genuinely wish to demonstrate good faith, it must publicly retract this inflammatory statement and issue a clear apology. 8. In the absence of such, the EFF cannot participate in any discussion with a party that continues to delegitimize it publicly while seeking cooperation privately. Revolutionary regards. Wasayina lapha EFF caucus leader Philip Makwala. Awuyabona uma umuntu ekupheka uphi impendulo enje ephinde ekukhumbuza amagama akho kuya kube nzima ngoba zonke lezi zinto ezibhalwe i-caucus leader le EFF ubhala izinto vele ezashiwo i-DA ezashiwo John Steenhuisen zonke ezashiwo John Steenhuisen futhi wakubeka kwacaca uma ekhuluma le uma ekhuluma le White House bese United States wathi ukungena kwe-DA kwe-coalition ukuthi beyifuna ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi i-MK kanye ne-EFF ayibi ingxenye ye-government. Yingakho-ke lo i-EFF esethi awu kanti nina publicly anisifuni kodwa privately nifuna ukuhlangana nathi. I-DA-ke i-desperate manje iyawadinga ama-political parties ezovota kanye nawo uma ifuna imotion yabo iphumelele. And ekhumbula ukuthi akuyona imotion yokuqala against i-ANC. Eyokuqala ababeyifakile against uDada Marero ayizange ibe impumelelo. ANC-ke when it comes to power they do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes ukuze bavikele ipower. Akulula nje ukuthi ANC ingavuma. Kodwa funeka i-DA yazi ukuthi mayifuna ukuwina funeka incenge i-Action SA, incenge MK Party, incenge EFF ngoba phela manje izobe ibhekene ne-ANC. Angibambeke le video ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwi-video elandelayo ngiyabonga.